Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to unbox nap playing cards. Nap playing cards are great for spending fun and quality time with friends and family. Playing cards can teach us so many things, such as math skills and memory skills, as well as strategic thinking. Guys, let's start unboxing. Please watch this video till the end. The material used to make these playing cards is 100% plastic. This deck of playing cards consists of 52 cards. There are 13 cards in each of the 4 suits: clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Clubs and spades are black. Hearts and diamonds are red. The deck also includes 2 jokers, each with a different color combination.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.